Let's take another look now at another aspect of general health which can impact on oral health. Jolanta, thank you for joining us. I wonder if you could tell us, what is bruxism?
Bruxism is the grinding and clenching on the teeth, but this phenomenon is also in the night and during the day. And this is the different kind of bruxism during the day and night. So different etiology and different management. Because the daily bruxism is rather because of stress events during the life. And the bruxism at the night is sometimes the answer for the sleep apnea. And the activity of the masticatory muscles is to restore the proper breathing during the sleep.
And how can dentists be aware of these things? What can they be recognizing?
Some scientists said that tooth wear, because of bruxism, is the first sign of maybe obstructive sleep apnea. Because when is the bruxism and is tooth wear, then maybe this is the management which organism can solve for obstructive sleep apnea, and we should help to restore the proper breathing during the night.
So the relationship between general health and oral health is very important then?
Yes, it is, because there are many connections between masticatory organ and the general health, because this is the first track of our breathing, this upper breathing way, and its connections with our emotions. So this is the first part of digestion. So it is very, very important part, and connections between oral health and general health.
Jolanta, that's lovely. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you very much.